When it comes to facial pa lang, we already have 5 types of facial. We have around 10 IV drips na na-offer namin. Tapos, when it comes to microneedling naman for skin health, yun, skin quality, parang we have around 7. So, medyo madami siya. Not mentioning the machines. We have machines for lifting, we have machine for improvement of the skin toning, and then skin texture improvement, mga ganun. So, oo.
Miss Gian, how hands-on are you dun sa pagko-conceptualize nung ano yung mga klaseng treatments na dapat nilagay dito sa Inoue?
Oo, very hands-on talaga ako. Kasi handpick everything from the interior to the products na gagamitin, to the machines, lahat yun tinry din talaga namin. Yung drip itself, so try namin lahat yun. The machines, tinry din namin. So very talaga.
Tapos yung pansin ko rin yung location niya is very parang sabi niya, parang high-end location ba? Kasi
Yes.
nasa tapat lang kayo ng GMA. So, paano kayo napunta dito?
Oo, actually blessing yun kasi yung friend namin ang nag-recommend kasi he's part owner of the place. Na-mention lang namin na we're looking for a commercial space para nga sa clinic, gano'n. And then na-mention lang yun na, bakit hindi nyo try i-visit, gano'n. So I believe we were just blessed kasi at that time, baka sinasabi na okay, eto na yun. Kumbaga, you're already ready. Kaya ibigay ko na kayo. Gano'n. We have 4 treatment rooms available. One of those rooms is what we call the VIP treatment suite. So it's a lot bigger than the other rooms. So we can host at least 2 doon, tapos plus their families or companions pwede doon. And then we also have another room for the IV drips. So yun yung mga treatment rooms that we have. And then we have other rooms like the physician's office, so doon naman yung for consultation to the doctor, and then for skin analysis doon din, and then the admin room, yan. So other administrative na lang yung rooms. We opened our doors ng soft opening last June 27. So, a little over a month pa lang. Kasi we had our grand opening naman ng August 2. So, very recent din.
How was the reception dito sa area?
So far, okay naman. A little challenge lang kami since it's accessible. Yes, the place is accessible. Pero it's not really public. Hindi siya yung nadadaanan, right? So, it works for our advantage and disadvantage both. At this moment, a little on the disadvantage side siya kasi we are planning to focus on awareness. Hindi siya kita, di ba? Hindi talaga siya visible na nadadaanan, ganyan. So, it works a little on our disadvantage. Pero, that's one thing also na na-appreciate naman ng mga nag-visit kasi it's accessible but it's still private. It's inside the building with elevator, with parking. So, hindi sila nahihirapan. Plus, kung mayroon silang treatments na gagawin, hindi sila nahihiya na nakikita sila na papasok sila, gano'n. And then, paglabas nila, let's say, nag-facial or nag-treatment kami ng skin boosters, medyo iba yung itsura after the injectables. Hindi sila hiya kasi hindi sila kitang-kita. Ayun, so that's our advantage also kasi we offer privacy as well.